Hi, my name is Mr. Bettis and I teach college algebra here at Brennan High School, and I hope that you'll join me next year in taking college algebra OnRamps. Now, you may not know too much about an OnRamps course, so let me help you. There are two important things to know. The first is that with OnRamps, you have two different grades. You have a high school grade and you have a college grade. Now, the content that's covered and the material covered is the same. A professor from UT Austin has developed this content, made a textbook, shared it with y'all, shared it with myself, and we cover it and we go through the content. And college algebra is just a step higher than Algebra 2. You don't have to worry about any type of calculus or any trigonometry whatsoever. It's straight from Algebra 2. Now it's a little bit more difficult, but you'll get the hang of it. So, going back to my point, college and high school. With college, you have an orientation you have to do online. You have college homeworks, you have exercise assessments, and you have your exams, which are a huge part of your college grade. Now, the college exam is two parts. One's online for one day, and the next day you take a paper exam. So with those two parts, that is your exam grade. Okay. Now with high school, you have high school paper homeworks, and you also have online quizzes that you must do outside of class. The only thing we do in class is the exercises from the textbook. So those exercises are notes, basically. Now with the exam for the high school, it's going to be the same exam that you take for the college side, except it's only the online version, not the paper version. Now, what are some great takeaways from being in an OnRamps course, especially college algebra? Most degrees in college require a minimum of college algebra. So if you do it in high school, you save time and money now than you would when you graduate. The other aspects that are beneficial is that not only do you save money, but your credit is from UT Austin, not from Northwest Vista, not taking a test at the end of the year, but it's from UT Austin, and that transcript will have the seal for it. Now, that can transfer anywhere in the world. The other part that you take away, that I hope you take away from this class, is your life skills. I want you to become more organized. I want you to become better in your time management skills, and you're also going to socialize. You're going to make a study group. You have to make a study group. You cannot do this on your own. This course does go by fast, but if you get out of your shell, get out of your box, and make friends, new friends, make a study group, dedicate yourself to this class. When you have to and when you struggle, you'll be fine. You cannot be afraid to make mistakes, and you also have to learn from those mistakes. You will also have to come up to the board and present your work, so you really do have to get out of your shell. That's just how OnRamps course is. I am always here to help and provide assistance, but most of the time the way you're going to be extra successful is getting help from your peers. So, I just want to share some information with you. I hope that helps. If you need anything else, feel free to contact me. My name is Paul Bettis. I am a math teacher here at Brennan High School. Now, I have some videos that I would like to share for you from experiences of my current students, so I hope you enjoy.
I expected this to be a lot harder, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I expected like the workload to be
Serious.
like,
Yeah.
Like I was gonna have to time manage.
I was gonna go home crying every day.
But we didn't.
The reality, what was it? There's a lot of valuable guidance from our teacher. So if you pay attention a lot at the start of the units, then you'll be okay throughout.
Mm-hmm. And he's there to like help you.
Yeah.
And there's a lot more assistance than I thought there was gonna be.
He's one of the best OnRamps teachers. Like I have.
Me too.
I think the best.
Yeah,
he's
hands down.
All you need to be successful, in my opinion, is to be very resourceful.
Right, and I think that you have to like make like the study groups and like just make sure that you're on point with all your assignments.
Yeah.
And if you don't know something, just look it up.
Yeah.
Like,
don't be
don't
be afraid to ask, because odds are like if they don't know it,
someone else knows.
Yeah, someone knows it. And if they don't, then you ask Mr. Bettis, because he's the best OnRamps teacher ever.
Period.
Takeaway from the class for me is like it helped me understand that I'm gonna be ready for college and that I'm gonna be able to handle it once it comes.
Yeah, I would say the same thing. Like it just like prepared me a little bit more mentally. Like realizing I have to, like prioritize certain things
I don't know, it made me excited for college.
Yeah, me too.
And working with study groups and stuff like that.
I'm gonna be honest, I only took this class because, first of all, Mr. Pettis is a great teacher. And secondly, I don't want to take all these classes in college because that's too much work. I don't
I
have
think
to, I
You
don't
save
have
money.
Take away from the class, you save money.
But I also
Yeah.
think it's easier to take this class in high school instead of taking it in college.
to, yeah.
You have the
If you take it in
assistant.
college, like, you're not gonna get no help.
I don't
Yeah.
think. Yeah, I
No.
think that there's a lot more access to help when you're in
Yeah.
high school, and you're a lot more comfortable with the peers. It's not like a fresh set of people. So
And it's not as hard as you think.
It's not.
Just be
not.
prepared not to use a calculator.
you can do it though.
Yes.
Yeah, it gets
Just
easier.
with this.
2 points to be successful in this class is to always put attention and to always do your work. It's gonna be worth it.
And some takeaways from this that we learned, it was to be organized with your stuff and your time. And I hope if you apply for this class, everything starts from trying and never give up. Thank you.
I'm a senior taking college algebra OnRamps. And honestly, OnRamps is a great class because it teaches you how to manage your time well. It also helps you stay organized while doing your work and your quizzes. And one word of advice I would say when taking that class is don't be afraid to be wrong.
Shot.
And I'm Justin.
I'm a senior this year.
And I'm a junior.
Last year we took Algebra 2. This year we were taking college OnRamps Algebra. What I can say about this class is don't let your work pile up. So stop procrastinating. Don't let your work pile up, because if you do, it'll turn hard and like just the work will just pile up. You'll find yourself in trouble.
Also, get a study group. Find 2 or 3 friends that all do your work. You guys share and you help each other.
One thing you could take away from this class, like he said, your socialization skills. You have to force yourself into a group, because if you work alone, it's going to become hard. So if you make a group, make friends, it'll be easier.
If you do your work, pay attention in class, stay off your phone, you'll be fine. At first, after the first test, you kind of get the hang of things and how you're supposed to do things, but the first couple of weeks is gonna be a tough one. But once you start talking with everyone and making friends in the class and getting in group chats, y'all will all help each other and you'll be perfectly fine.
My advice to you incoming college algebra OnRamps students is make as many friends as you can that are also in this course, whether it be in your class, another period, or another teacher. Be close to those people because everyone helps everyone out and it helps a lot. Also, don't procrastinate, learn organization, and just stay on task and you will make it through this year, I promise.